So friends, we will use Kia Optima and the alternator, controlled via C-terminal protocol, as an example for showing how to test the alternator without dismounting it from the car. It is necessary to mention that this is not the alternator with a single chip voltage regulator. So in our case, we need a special device that would allow us to control the voltage regulator of the alternator to provide the required alternator output voltage and charging. Here we use our innovative product, adapter MS015, which provides the connection to the alternator and the required control. The device has 4 wires. 2 of them are for connection to the battery, black minus and red plus. The yellow wire is used to control the alternator. The green one is the terminal lead FR for taking readings from the voltage regulator. Now let's disconnect the alternator connector and connect the control wire according to the pinout of the voltage regulator. We select the test mode. The pinout is displayed on the screen. Then we press test. At this point we start the engine and use buttons V+ and V- to adjust the alternator voltage. Green figures show the alternator output voltage. Yellow figures the set voltage. As far as we can see, both values are almost identical. The duty cycle of the PWM signal transmitted to the voltage regulator is displayed in the graph below. This figure shows that at the moment the excitation winding is 35–37% loaded. The alternator control frequency can be controlled here as well. In our case, we can see that the alternator is faultless, as the output voltage corresponds to the preset one. All we have to do now is to measure the current consumed by the vehicle on-board control system. We can do it with the clamp meter. When the headlights and cabin heater are on, we can see that the DFM signal value has increased. This means that the power supply to the alternator excitation winding has increased. To be exact, we are talking about the excitation winding duty cycle. We can use this device to control it. It is therefore possible to test the alternator with the device directly in the car, thus saving time and effort necessary for dismounting and mounting of the tested unit. Along with the alternators with terminal C, the device can test the alternators with all kinds of digital connections, such as RLO, RVC, COM, SIG and others, depending on the vehicle model. That's all for now.